Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to make PDF in WPS Office. So let's get started the video. First, open the document you want to save as a PDF. You can do this in WPS Writer, Spreadsheet, or Presentation. Next, click on the menu at the top left corner of your screen. Select Export to PDF or Export as PDF from the drop-down menu. A dialog box will appear. Here you can choose your page range, output folder, and other settings if needed. Finally, click Export as PDF, and there you go. Your document is now saved as a PDF. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick tutorials. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.